Orange! Orange! Are you all right? Orange!
Wow, holy schnozberries! I just had the strangest experience. I was in a magical, colorful land. You were there, and you were there, and you were there.
Was I there?
No.
Ah, poppycock, I never get invited to anybody's dream.
But it wasn't a dream. It was real. You gotta believe me.
Sure, we believe you, Orange. Call the loony bin.
I'm on it.
Go ahead, Orange. Tell us about this magical world. Well, it all started when I got caught up in a tornado mixer. Ah! Hey, I can see my house from here. But then I accidentally made applesauce out of some mean old witch. And that made everybody real happy.
Come on, do the song.
I don't want to do the song.
Do the song, Shrimpy.
And in the name of the Lollipop Guild, we welcome you to Munchin Land. Munchin Land sounds pretty eat. And it was pretty eat. They gave me a ruby kazoo and sent me off to see the Blizzard of Oz about finding a way home.
Follow the orange brick road.
Follow the orange brick road. Follow the orange brick road. Follow the orange brick road. He's off to see the blizzard, the wonderful blizzard of Oz.
But the trip wasn't easy. The woods were just crawling with danger, like onions and wild silverware. Oh my! But before long, I found a friend.
Hey there, I'm Pearcrow. Nice to meet you. Get away from me! Man, what I wouldn't give for some arms to keep those crows off me.
Come see the blizzard with me. I'll bet he could give you some arms.
You think?
We're off to see the blizzard, the wonderful Blizzard of Oz. And as we went along, we picked up a couple more friends. There was the Tin Mellow who wanted to ask the blizzard for arms too.
Because then I could give everyone hugs.
And we met a grapefruit. He wanted arms too.
If I had arms, why I could wave this truth flag night and day.
We nicknamed him the Cowardly Grapefruit.
Ah, what was that?
That was an ant, dude.
It was huge.
When we got to the blizzard, he said he'd help on one condition.
You must bring the wicked Ice Queen of the West.
I get it, brr, because he's cold. But this Ice Queen turned out to be more than we bargained for.
It's her! Run!
Why didn't I ask the blizzard for feet?
This weird old witch had an army of flying monkey bread. Luckily, we were able to get away from the flying monkey bread and got to the evil Ice Witch's castle. Then we had to get past some Oreo cookie soldiers.
Oreo. Oh, Oreo.
But in the end, we got that icy witch real good.
I'm melting!
Well, yeah, you're an ice cube. Honestly, I'm surprised you made it this far.
So, did everyone get their limbs in the end? No, there was some junk about how we had them inside of us all along.
Wait, are you telling me I have a foot inside me as we speak?
I guess so, yeah.
So that's what was messing with my bowel movements.
And all I have to do to get home is blow my kazoo 3 times?
So, you glad to be back?
Sure am. The whole ordeal taught me something very important. There's no place like home.
Wow, that's pretty sappy, dude.
No! Home!
Huh? We can't see you, Orange.
How about now?
Now we're seeing too much of you.
Crazy fanatical murderer!